Hello everyone, it's me again, Provic, and you're welcome to the channel. So did you know that on the X32 you could send any of your outputs into your DAW and record that, which is a processed mix? Typically the signal coming from the X32 into your DAW for multi-track purposes is a dry signal, meaning no EQ, no gate, no compression, no processing whatsoever. So the signal coming to your DAW is pre-processing. But in today's video, I'm going to be uncovering how to get any of your outputs. It could be your broadcast, any of the band members, drums mix, any mix fully processed into your DAW, and you can record that. This is my multi-track on my DAW. So this is how I have it set up. It's basically a mirror of what I have on the X32. Now on my X32, I have this mic, which is what you're currently hearing, and the signal is coming from here. It's also coming from my broadcast bus, which I've brought in as an input into Reaper. And to show you that this is not just a bus that I created in Reaper, in my DAW here, I would come to the mixer. Then I would show you my broadcast bus. So this is my broadcast bus. So I'm going to mute this mic on my broadcast bus and we'll confirm if it mutes in Reaper. So let's go back to Reaper. As you can see, there's no signal coming through. If I come back here and I unmute, come back, and you can see now I have signal again. Let me show you how to set this up on the X32. All right, to set this up, you tab over to routing, then come to your card, then set your card as user out 128, user out 9016, as the case may be. Then tab over to the user out section. So you have input here, you have output here. Then all you want to do is, all you have to do from here on out is your channels. So out 1 is also corresponds as input 1 on your board, the way it's set normally. So A01 meaning the first input from my AES50. So whatever your case may be, just assign it the way you have it on your board. Then on my DAW, I had my broadcast channel coming in as channel 25. Here, that is out 25. As you can see, out 25. So I assigned, but on the board, I have my broadcast bus as output 11. So as you can see here, out 25, I came here, selected, I came to this place, selected outputs, and all the way down, I selected output 11. And that's the way I was able to get my broadcast bus as input into my DAW. We're using user out because user out is sort of like the only way to bring output like our buses as input into our DAW. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.